Hey guys, it's me again, Daniel Stanchu. Just finished juicing some celery juice, which I just drank right now. I'm going to show you quickly how to take apart this machine and to actually clean the machine. This is a request that somebody asked me to do, so yeah, I'm going to jump right into it. See if I can zoom in a bit. So this machine is the Ventray 808 masticating juicer. So I'm just going to show you exactly how I clean this machine. So the top, when you're just doing celery, usually the top here doesn't get too bad. So usually what I'll do is take my soap, that's my sponge, just vigorously clean it. Now this one is, this machine here you can't put through the dishwasher. It says it on the warning label on the outside, so yeah, I would advise against that. So we'll count the pieces that you need to clean. So this is number one, the chute. And then what I do after I clean the machine, I have a piece of paper or a paper towel here on the side. And just leave it there on top so it can dry. Okay, the next thing I do with the machine, I'll just show you, is I actually take off this whole case right here. I lift it all off, and then I just take the parts out individually and just clean it that way. So that's what I'm going to do. Just like that. So this is the auger. You can see there, full of celery. So like this, I kind of give it a good rinse first. And I get my trusty sponge, and you want to ensure that you clean, there's a bottom lip down there, right down there. You want to ensure you clean that, because that gets really loaded with gunk. I'm very thorough when I clean the machine. Ensure that I'm scrubbing every touch point basically, or any point that I can touch. That. So celery juice, it's not too bad, it's pretty easy. You get blueberries and even avocado and some tomato, that kind of stuff. The gunk really builds up, but it's not bad, it's very minimal. It's harder to clean off. Celery is very easy to clean off. Just like that, see, nice and clean. Put it on the side to dry. So this is a basket that kind of pushes the actual juice to your spout. So this, you'd like to clean this as well. So this is piece number 3 that we're cleaning. So like I said with the celery, it's really straightforward and easy. Just because celery is very stringy, this is an easy quick clean. The juicer itself is a really easy quick clean as well. It's not difficult at all. That. Okay, that's good. That. So like I said, this is number 3. Okay, the basket itself is actually in pretty decent condition here. Now this was about 4 stalks of celery I used. Not too much celery, because I don't drink a ton of that stuff all at once just by itself. I usually like to mix it with something. But yeah, let's rinse this sponge out. Some more soap here. Okay, so this machine does come with an actual like toothbrush kind of like fiber. To kind of clean the actual machine itself. I opt to use a regular sponge. I think it just does a better job. I understand why they have the toothbrush though, it's for the hard to reach areas, but I just make the sponge work. So this, you can see I'm really vigorously cleaning the inside. You want to make sure you clean this after every single use, immediately after you drink your juice or you store your juice. You want to make sure that you're actually cleaning this machine right away. You don't want to leave anything to build up, and then it just takes that much longer to clean, and or it could affect your machine's operating. You want your machine to operate optimally. Just like that. So this is piece number 4 that we're cleaning. Okay, see, nice and clean. Number 4, and this is number 5. So, like I mentioned here, this is the stopper here that kind of prevents a lot of pulp into your juice. And then this right down here, I don't know if you can see it, this is where the actual pulp goes through. So sometimes when you're juicing celery especially, this will get clogged up. So just at the end of my juice here, it started to get clogged up a little bit. This is normal. This will happen. You know, I've heard of many juicers this happening too. You can't really avoid it, I think, with masticating juicers. Certain juicers I've seen where, you know, people are throwing in the whole celery stalk. But those type of juices are the ones that I think take a little bit longer to juice everything. This machine goes really fast. Mindful that you actually are feeding the fruits and vegetables, you know, relatively at a moderate pace. Don't want to do it too fast, you don't want to do it too slow, because then it'll take a while. But the advantage for this juicer is that you have this spout enclosure here. Once you have it engaged like that, the juice gets trapped into this actual reservoir, and less oxidization happens. So the other juices that don't have this spout, don't have this reservoir, it's just straight through juicing, oxidization happens as soon as it hits the air. So this is piece number 5. That's it. So I usually put a little bit of soap in there just to kind of get it going. Get my sponge, a little bit of water, and kind of go to town on it again. Scrubbing everywhere, all the touch points that you can possibly touch. Like I said, you want to make sure you're cleaning your juicer after every single juice, immediately after. The sponge will usually get in there. Clean it really good. Pulp feeder, really good as well. The undercarriage here, give it a quick clean, and that's it. You can see that's the pulp that I got from just the feeder there that started to clog up a little bit at the end of my juice. Just rinsing it off well. And then what I normally do is I'll actually kind of just rinse off my juicer before I start juicing again, just to have everything kind of lubricated, if you will. So it's not just a dry kind of operation. Each their own, doesn't really matter, doesn't really make a difference, I find. That's just how I do it. Okay, and there you have it, guys. That's it. 5 pieces. 5 pieces. Literally 5 pieces for this machine. $200 on Amazon. Masticating juicer, the Ventray 808. Yeah, go buy it on Amazon. Honestly, it's such a great juicer. And yeah, there's my cleaning review for this Ventray 808 masticating juicer. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Guys, thank you so much. Have a great day.